Hello, good day everyone. This is Rainiel Doctor, a regular participant of MMM Philippines under Team Flanders, and this is my graduation video. MMM Ideology. All human beings are born free and equal in dignity and rights. But why? Some have food, some have none. Some have palace, and some are homeless. Some have options to wear, and some are naked. Some travel with golden slippers, while others have none. Some child go to school to study, but other child needs to work. Some is treated special, unlike the others. Why is this happening? Where is equality? This modern world offers different opportunity for us to get what we need and what we want. We just need to work hard and overtime to get our dreams and to escape poverty. But why? Poor remains poor, and rich remains rich. Nothing has changed even before. The rich people rules over us. You know why? It's because of the financial system embedded in our society. We are trained to work hard for the money since our childhood, to buy what we need and what we want. But wants and needs is unlimited. So we need to work until we die. But the sad thing is, other people just print the money. Yes, they just print it. The banks and financiers. They print money to buy us, to get what they need and what they want. So they live better. They buy our time, our strength, our knowledge, our morality, our body, everything we have to get what they need and what they want. They control us by just a piece of paper or form of metal called money. We are the modern slaves of this economy. And it works better because we don't know that we are slaves. All we see is the money that we need to get what we need and what we want, and they take advantage of it. Do you want change? Take a stand to end this slavery. Come with us. Join MMM Social Financial Network. It was founded by Sir Sergey Mavroди in 2011. And now already in 107 countries and more than 138 million participants around the world. MMM is not a bank. It does not collect your money. MMM is not a business. It will not sell you anything. MMM is not an investment scheme. There is no securities in MMM. Here in the Philippines, MMM is registered as a non-profit organization in April 6, 2015, with the purpose is to help. MMM is a community of people helping people who wants to destroy this slavery and to promote equality. MMM provides a basic technical program which connects people who are willing to provide help and people who needs help. MMM participants give help by transferring the money to each other directly. There is no central account in MMM. MMM participants use the technology of Bitcoin to transfer money directly to each other without the restriction of banks, thanks to this technology. MMM advantages. In MMM program, people who provides help is get rewarded, called Mavro. Here in the Philippines, 1 Mavro is equal to 1 peso. This Mavro grows in different programs. First, current growth of 30% per month. In this program, your Mavro grows 30% compounded monthly. Second, 20% to 100% deposit, MMM Extra. In this program, your Mavro may grow from 20% to 100% depending on your activity. You just need to do an online task and offline task. Third, Mavro Mining Lite, that's 7%. Donations from 200 peso to 7,000 peso can join this program. In this program, Mavro grows fixed 7% in just 72 hours. Fourth, Mavro Mining Premium plus 14%. Donation from 7,100 peso up to 20,000 peso can join this program. Mavro grows fixed 14% in just 120 hours. Fifth, Mavro Mining Pro plus 20%. Donation from 20,100 peso up to 50,000 peso can join this program. In this program, Mavro may grow fixed 20% in just 168 hours. When you need help, this Mavro is a great asset. You can get financial help equivalent to your Mavro. 1 Mavro is equal to 1 peso. MMM rule. The minimum amount of donation is 200 pesos. The maximum amount of donation you must give must not exceed $10,000. This restriction is introduced so that MMM would not be considered as an investment project. The community aim is a decent standard of living for all its members, not the rapid enrichment of individual participants. Bonuses for first provide help. First, 2,400 up to 23,999 first provide help will receive an additional $20 Mavro USD. Second, 24,000 up to 144,999 peso first provide help will receive additional $50 Mavro USD. Third, 145,000 and above first provide help will receive additional $100 Mavro USD plus 5% bonus for video after get help. For all participants who receive help, and make a video of their happiness, they will receive an additional 5% bonus based on the amount that they receive. Lottery. All participants of the community with confirmed Mavros have the opportunity to participate in a weekly lottery. To take part in the lottery, you don't need to pay. You just need to guess the numbers and click Remember My Choice. Draw is every Wednesday, 3 p.m. Plus 10% referral bonus. You will get 10% referral bonus for every help made by people you have invited to MMM community. You may invite your friends, relatives, acquaintances, and etc. Guiders bonus. Guiders of MMM community can create their own multi-level structures and get a bonus from each donation of every participant in their structures. This is a multi-level bonus. Thus, a guider can have his own leader whose rank is higher. Guider's bonus depends on his level in the community. First level, 5%. Second level, 3%. Third level, 1%. Fourth level, 0.5%. Fifth level, 0.3%. How to join MMM. Registration requirements. Active email account, preferably from Gmail. You can create one if you still don't have. Second, Bitcoin wallet. You can create your account for Bitcoin wallet in Coins.ph or other sites where you can get your BTC address or Bitcoin wallet address. What I have learned in MMM. Too much money is not needed by human. What important is, you know that you have money when you need it. When you need to buy your needs and wants. In life, we must not work just to have money. We must work voluntarily. All of us want to do something beneficial for the society, like business. But not all of us have the capability to do it because of lack of money. Therefore, in MMM, the money that we donate is a chance for someone to be capable and grow. MMM is the true saving for me because donating money is like saving money, and the money that we donate can save life from poverty. A million thanks to Sir Sergey Mabrodi for sharing this wonderful system of giving here in the Philippines. And I believe by MMM, together we can change the world.